What up? So we're back. It's another Mustang day. I was about to film this video yesterday, but my partner pulled up, so had to change the plans. But this is just what we got. So hopefully I didn't close this all the way. I didn't. So uh, on this side, I got the marker light, but I don't have the signal light plug, and I only had one wire in here, so I couldn't figure out where the rest of these wires were, which are supposed to be the signal thing like this. So I had a Mustang here the other day. Depending on when this video goes up, it's the black one with the halos in it. But anyway, I had that, so I got the chance to mess around with some wires and look around. And I ended up figuring out where the wires were supposed to come from, which is right here. So something happened or somebody did something. So this is one of the wires for the signal lights, which is up here. And yeah, so I got that, which I'm gonna have to add some wire, stretch this back out to get down there, and I think it's another wire. Nah, we're good. So one of those, I think that green is signal. This might be the park light on or whatever. And I just snatch the ground off of this wire. So I get all of this set up, and then I gotta get the actual this part, the harness part or whatever. So I'll order one of those or go to AutoZone and pick one up or something. But I'm gonna go ahead and run these wires and get this situated, so then I'll have all of my plugs. So I already did that for the headlight wire over here. So this side didn't have the headlight harness, so I went ahead and redid that. So now do the same for the signal light, and then the front end will be done, and I just have to get my bumper and fenders. Oh, and I might buy some, well, I'm planning on buying some new fog lights because I want them to match these, but for the time being I got some new fog lights, well, new to me, but the Mustang, the black Mustang, which I do like a little overlay or something, because you probably hadn't seen that video yet, because I don't know if I posted it yet by the time this video comes up. But I overlay that. But he had all new lights, and he let me keep his old lights, so I got some fog lights. They had some tint on them, so I peeled them off, so it's like a little glue residue on here, so I hadn't cleaned them off yet, but I'll be cleaning these off, and if I like how they look and I can get a tint to match that tint, then I'll probably just tint these, put the halos in them, and be done. I'll probably clean these up, depending on how good they look. I'll probably put some halos in those and sell them. So, you know, that's what's going on. So, yeah, go ahead and break out some wire and get started. So, got my wires ran. I found that black wire. It was farther down in here, but it was cut and stripped too. So, I don't know what they was doing with this car before it got to me. But anyway, got the wires ran. Everything is right through this factory loom. So, it's almost like factory. So, I just gotta go get the plug now, but and probably add a little bit more wire to this end. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and tape these three back together so it'll look like what it looked like before, which is wherever a big jumble. But yeah, something like that. So however they loosely tie all of this stuff up. So go ahead and got some tapes. Tape this up, and I guess I might go get a socket. It's a pretty good day today, so probably take the roof off the vet and go cruise and pick up some parts. So yeah, I guess that's where we are today. All right, so we're back. All of this is taped up nice and neat. Wires falling out somewhere down here. Yep, so it's all in the loom. Uh, they didn't have the Ford specific little plug or whatever for the wires. So instead of buying the universal looking one and that'd be different, I just went ahead and ordered the one that looks just like this. And I also got the piece that plugs into this, which is, I have it over here. So the part that actually holds the little 194 bulb for the marker light. So I just went ahead and ordered all that this morning. So it'll be here in a couple days. But wiring is done. So now I'll have signal lights, marker lights, headlights. Still need a bulb for this one. But I'm waiting until I get everything else done because I'm getting LED bulbs in here. So I'm not really stressing about that because the harness is done. So that's the important part. So harness is done for that, done on that side. Once I get that piece in, this will be done. And then I guess I'll go ahead and start ordering body parts. So I need some fenders, bumpers, the GT grill with the big fog lights in it. I still got to put these brakes on. I just hadn't got around to it. I got a full set of drilled and slotted for front and back, and the calipers be painted. Still not sure on the wheels what I'm doing on that, but yeah, so it'll be time to start getting body parts and figuring out how to get this fixed. So I got a little dent right here. This is my major problem spot, and all of this has got to be popped out some. Don't have to be perfect, but it's got to be popped out some because all of that's getting covered up, or should be getting covered up by the over fenders that's going on there. So I don't need it perfect. I just need it good enough for the kit to line up with this part of the body so I can bolt everything in and mold it in. So yeah, and I still got to fix this trunk latch. So it'll be get everything on the front, start getting body parts for that, fix this dent, fix this trunk to where it can actually line up right and lock right and not be sitting up like this. So got a lot of work left, but been making some progress. So I'll catch y'all like I said, I guess I might start ordering stuff this week. We'll see. But yeah, that's it for this one. So I'll catch y'all in the next one.